Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Novel Impress Magarin. So today, I have to finish my weekly assignment because the 9 a.m. o'clock is the deadline of my weekly assignment. So I have to finish before the deadline. So what is my weekly assignment? Uh, our head master, or we call it Mr. Daddy, has told us to explain to all of you about SD1. So here's I make some presentation, and this is the what do we say, the lab or the apa namanya, whatever it is. So this is the lab of the SD1. There is VH, vManager, vBond, and vSmart, and don't forget the internet. So because my peanut lab, uh, it can't be open because I don't know why. So I use this topology, my friend's topology. So this is the vManager. This is how to config the SD1. First, vManage configuration, login is admin, password is admin. You have to set an initial admin password, choose storage, and then wait. And this is how to config all of the vManage. See, you can see here how to config. If you wanna config by yourself, just pause the video. So this is how to config the vBond. Here's the config, and this is the smart vSmart. So here's the another explain about SD1. So me and my friends has config all of this. Look at the show run here. There is IP and all of the stuff, and we can ping here. It means work. So without any further ado, please let me explain about SD1. Okay, Cisco SD1 by Novel Ibras Nugarin. So background of the problem is traditional one, or the before SD1, one before SD1 networks are still widely used to connect branch office, usually relying on MPLS. However, this approach is expensive and not flexible. Every configuration change must be done manually, so it's static and not what do we say, automatically, which takes time and increase the risk of human error. So because minimum what do we say, machine or something automatic, it increase the risk of human error. So modern network demands are also more complex. Many companies use cloud application, SaaS, and video conferencing. Traditional one cannot efficiently prioritize traffic, which often leads to latency, packet loss, and poor performance on critical application. In terms of scalability, deploying new brands is slow, and it requires manual configuration and often depends on service providers, making the process inefficient. It means not efficient. Network visibility is also limited, and then administrators cannot easily monitor network performance in real time. making troubleshooting more difficult and time consuming. So this is the background of the problem why SD-WAN is great. So this is how the background. Next, the definition of SD-WAN. What is SD-WAN? SD-WAN means software defined wide area network. So this is the modern one after wide one, traditional one. So SD-WAN is a technology that manage and optimize wide area network using centralized. So it's not distribute, it's used centralized, and it's more efficient than the traditional one. Software-based control instead of manual configuration on each router. So it's not manually. You uh, not config this SD-WAN manually, but the kebalikannya, where the control plane is separate from the data plane. So all routing decisions and policies are handled by a central controller and automatically distributed to network devices. So what did I say before? This is centralized and not distribute. So you can config automatically and not manually. It works by building an overlay network on top of existing infrastructure such as internet, MPLS, or LTE without replacing the physical network, and it uses application-aware routing to intelligently direct traffic based on real-time conditions like latency, jitter, and packet loss, ensuring critical applications get the best path while less important traffic uses alternative links, while also securing communication between sites through encrypted tunnel like IPsec, making the network more efficient, scalable, and easier to manage compared to traditional one. So this SD-WAN is more modern, more efficient, more easier to manage compare if we compare to traditional one. Next. So this is parts of SD-WAN. There's vManage, vBond, vSmart, vEdge. Here's you can see it. First one is vManage. This is centralized management and control platform. All network configuration, monitoring, and deployment are done from here. And then administrators can create configuration templates and push them to multiple devices at once without configuring each device manually. It also provides dashboard to monitor network performance, bandwidth usage, and helps with troubleshooting. We go back to the problem. You can see the traditional one. This is administrators cannot easily monitor network performance in real time, making troubleshooting more difficult and time consuming. So because we use SD-WAN, there is vManage that the administrators can create configuration template and push them to multiple devices at once without configuring each device manually. And it also provides dashboard to monitor network performance, bandwidth usage, and helps with troubleshooting. So it's clear that SD-WAN is better than traditional one. Next is vSmart. This is the control plane or the brain of SD-WAN. Its main role is to manage routing and enforce policies across the network. This vSmart is the one who decides how traffic should flow based on defined rules and real-time conditions. vSmart distributes routing information to all devices using the OMP protocol, ensuring consistent decision making. Next is vBond. This is the orchestrator or I think it's authenticator used during the initial connection process. When a device first comes online, it connects to Vbond first for authentication. So, like I said before, orchestrator, it means authenticator. After verification, Vbond provides the necessary information so the device can establish connection with vSmart and vManage, and it also helps handle NAT traversal. Next, the last one is VH. There are the data plan device, typically routers located at branch office or data centers. They are responsible for forwarding user traffic based on policies received from vSmart. They continuously monitor network conditions such as latency, jitter, and packet loss, and dynamically choose the best available path across multiple connections like internet or MPLS. So, if we use an this like an human, if we what do you say? Think this is human. So the vManage is our head, and vSmart is our brain, vBond is our body, and VH is I think it's like feet or hands. And that's next. There is the advantage and disadvantage of SD-WAN. Here's the advantage, and the right one is the disadvantage. The first one is centralized management, so it's easier to control the SD-WAN because it's centralized management, not distribute. And then application aware routing, so like I said before. And then cost efficiency, more efficiency than the traditional one. And of course, the advantage of SD-WAN is better performance because it's better and more modern, and it's new than the traditional one. It is scalability, it's better than the traditional one, and integrate security. So this is the disadvantage of SD-WAN. Initial complexity, dependence on internet quality, more complex cost of implementation. So if we want to configure this SD-WAN, it requires advanced skills to configure this SD-WAN because it's complex and more complex than the traditional one, and it's vendor lock-in because once we use Cisco SD-WAN, like it's hard to move to another vendor because I don't think that this is the disadvantage, but I just put in here to make it longer. So that's all for my presentation here. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow my Instagram here. And if you want to contact my WhatsApp, you can contact me, and there is my Gmail, so you can send some chat or something you want to do, anything, but don't hack all of this. And thanks for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to get another video like this, you can turn on the notification on my channel. So I hope this explanation can help you from your assignments or something, I don't know. Yeah, thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.